Welcome to Pro English Skills. Today, we are going to improve your English reading, listening, and speaking. Skills with a special practice session. If you want to speak English fluently, you need to practice these 3 skills together. In this lesson, we will follow 3 steps. 1. Listening practice. You will listen to a short story carefully. 2. Reading practice. We will read the story together to improve pronunciation and understanding. 3. Speaking practice. You will repeat after me to improve your pronunciation and fluency. At the end, I will ask some questions to check your understanding. So, stay with me till the end. And let's begin. Part 1. Listening practice. First, just listen to this short story. Do not read the text yet. Just focus on listening and understanding. Story: The Hidden Treasure. One day, a poor farmer named Jack was working in his field. His crops had dried up, and he had no money left. He sat under a tree, feeling hopeless. Suddenly, an old man with a long white beard appeared in front of him. "Why are you sad, my son?" the old man asked. Jack sighed. "I have no food, no money, and my land is dry. I don't know what to do." The old man smiled and handed Jack a small wooden box. "Take this home and open it at midnight. But remember, only open it when the clock strikes 12. Jack was confused, but he took the box home. He waited until midnight, carefully opened it, and inside he found a small golden key and a note that read, "Dig under the oldest tree in your field." Early the next morning, Jack ran to his field and started digging. After some time, he found a big chest full of gold coins. Jack couldn't believe his eyes. His life had changed forever. Now let's move to the next step, reading practice. Part 2. Reading practice. Now I will read the story slowly. Listen carefully and try to read along with me. Each sentence is read slowly and clearly, with pauses for viewers to follow. One day, a poor farmer named Jack was working in his field. His crops had dried up, and he had no money left. He sat under a tree, feeling hopeless. Suddenly, an old man with a long white beard appeared in front of him. "Why are you sad, my son?" the old man asked. Jack sighed. "I have no food, no money, and my land is dry. I don't know what to do." The old man smiled and handed Jack a small wooden box. "Take this home and open it at midnight, but remember, only open it when the clock strikes 12. Jack was confused, but he took the box home. He waited until midnight, carefully opened it, and inside he found a small golden key and a note that read, "Dig under the oldest tree in your field." Early the next morning, Jack ran to his field and started digging. After some time, he found a big chest full of gold coins. Jack couldn't believe his eyes. His life had changed forever. Now let's move to the final step, speaking practice. Part 3. Speaking practice. Now I will say each sentence, and you will repeat after me. Speak loudly and clearly. Each sentence is said with pauses, allowing viewers to repeat. One day, a poor farmer named Jack was working in his field. Pause. His crops had dried up, and he had no money left. Pause. He sat under a tree, feeling hopeless. Pause. Suddenly, an old man appeared in front of him. Pause. "Why are you sad, my son?" the old man asked. Pause. Jack sighed. "I have no food, no money, and my land is dry." Pause. The old man smiled and gave Jack a small box. Pause. "Take this home and open it at midnight." Pause. Jack took the box home and waited. Pause. At midnight, he opened it and found a golden key. Pause. The note said, Dig under the oldest tree in your field. Pause. The next morning, Jack started digging. Pause. He found a big chest full of big gold coins. Pause. His life changed. Forever. Pause. Great job. You are improving your pronunciation and fluency. Part 4. Practice questions. Now let's test your understanding. Answer these questions. Aloud. 1. What was Jack's problem in the beginning? Answer. He had no money, no food, and his land was dry. 2. Who gave Jack the box? Answer. An old man with a white beard. 3. What was inside the box? Answer. A golden key and a note. 4. Where did Jack have to dig? Answer. Under the oldest tree in his field. 5. What did Jack find? Answer. A chest full of all gold coins. If you answered correctly, well done. If not, don't worry. Keep practicing. Part 5. Speaking Challenge. Now I have a challenge for you. I want you to tell this story in your own words. Try to summarize it in 5 sentences. Pause the video, speak aloud, and practice. If you want more practice, listen to the story again and try repeating it. Chapter 2. Motivation, Tips, and Techniques to Learn English Easily. This is Chapter 2 of our English Reading, Listening, and Speaking Practice series. Today's lesson is different. We won't focus on stories or exercises. Instead, I will share some powerful motivation, practical tips, and easy techniques to help you learn English faster and better. If you ever feel stuck, unmotivated, or frustrated while learning English, don't worry, it happens to everyone. But with the right mindset and smart techniques, you can become fluent. So, stay with me till the end. And let's begin. Part 1. Motivation. Why you can learn English. 2 to 6. Many people think learning English is too hard. But that's not true. You just need the right approach. Let me tell you something important. 1. You already know some English. Think about it. You already know hundreds of English words. Words like bus, phone, internet, TV, hello, okay. These are all English words. So you are not starting from zero. You are already on your journey. Just keep going. 2. English is not about perfection. Many learners fear making mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Even not native speakers, my gadget, make mistakes. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be able to communicate. If people understand you, you are doing great. 3. Small steps lead to big results. You don't need to study, mate, 10 hours a day. Even being 15 to 20 minutes daily can make a big difference. Think of English like a plant. You need to water it every day, and soon it will grow. Part 2. Simple and effective English learning tips, 6 to 14. Now let's talk about some practical tips to improve your English quickly and easily. 1. Listen, listen, listen. Why? Listening improves your pronunciation and understanding. What to do? Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, or simple videos every day. Best method? Use subtitles first. Then try listening without them. The more you listen, the faster you learn. 2 and 2. Think in English. Why? Translating from your native language slows you down. What to do? Start with small thoughts. Describe what you see around you in English. Example, instead of thinking, mujhe pani chahiye, think, I need water. Your brain will get used to English, and soon it will feel natural. 3. Speak every day, even if you are alone. Why? Speaking is the fastest way to improve fluency. What to do? Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or even what you are eating. Best method? Record yourself speaking, then listen to your pronunciation. It feels strange at first, but trust me, it works. 4. Use simple sentences. First, why? Complicated sentences can make you nervous. What to do? Start with basic sentences, then add more details. Example, basic, I like coffee. Better, I like coffee because it gives me energy. Best, I drink coffee every morning because it helps me stay active and focused. Fluency comes with practice, not with difficult words. 5. Learn phrases, not just words. Why? Native speakers use phrases, not individual words. What to do? Learn common expressions and use them in conversations. Examples. Instead of, I don't know, say, I have no idea. Instead of, I'm very happy, say, I'm over the moon. These small changes make you sound more natural. Part 3. Techniques to learn faster. Now, I will share some simple techniques that will help you learn English faster. 1. Shadowing technique. Repeat like an echo. What is it? Listen to a native speaker and repeat after them immediately. How to do it? Use videos, podcasts, or audiobooks. Try to copy the pronunciation and speed. Best method? Start with slow speech, then try faster conversations. This will improve your pronunciation and fluency. Super fast. 2. The 80-20 rule. Focus on important words. What is it? 80% of spoken English comes from 20% of the most common words. What to do? Focus on learning common words and phrases. First, example. Learn useful verbs like go, come, take, make, give, get, say, tell, see, know. If you learn the most common words, you will understand most conversations. 3. Use English in daily life. Change your iPhone. Language to English. Write your e-shopping list in English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Chat with friends in English. The more you surround yourself with English, the faster you will learn. Part 4. Final motivation. You can do it. Before we end, remember this. You can learn English. It's not about talent. It's about practice and consistency. Mistakes are okay. Every mistake is a step forward. Consistency is key. Just 15 minutes a day can change everything. Believe in yourself. If others can do it, so can you. Every time you feel like giving up, tell yourself, I can learn English. I am improving every day. I will be fluent. Now, go and practice because you are on the path to success. Conclusion. Congratulations! You completed an English reading, listening, and speaking session. Keep practicing every day, and you will improve. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.